The Ministry for Housing and Local Government looks forward to the announcement of the 2026-2027 new financial year budget. And the Ministry looks forward for the continuation of the provision of funding for some of the ongoing projects for the Ministry of Housing. We expect to continue financial support towards the formalization of informal settlements across the country. We have some new informal settlements that we have just started this year. We have the Maciu Nalumisa, and also looking forward to new projects for the upgrading and formalization of the Umbati informal settlement, as well as some ongoing projects for the formalization of these informal settlements. And another very important aspect is the request for assistance towards the first home ownership housing assistance grant. This is an assistance that is given to our people who are buying their properties, buying their land for the first time, and we hope for an increase in that particular aspect. And we also look forward to the provision of housing subsidies to our tenants that are occupying the public rental board estate. These are people who were earning below 16,500. They're given assistance through the rent subsidies supported by government. Now, for the Ministry of Local Government, there are some ongoing projects that we currently manage with other municipalities around the country, and we look forward to the continuation of this funding for some major capital projects like municipal markets and some other new markets. Currently having constructing the Senganga market, as well as amenities that's going to support the development. Also would like to have some allocation towards the completion of the Lutako swimming pool, something that has been ongoing for quite some time. We're trying to do an end to that particular project, as well as the continuation funding for some of the model township program, like the Kiasi, hopefully to complete the next financial year, as well as a Nombowalu township new Nombowalu township development. And the ministry has been supporting other municipal councils in terms of provision of subsidies to assist them in their waste collection. It's something we have asked for an increased allocation this year, because it's really been a challenge for especially the middle to smaller size councils. They normally depend on government to provide them assistance, and we're hoping for more allocation on that, as well as assistance towards these municipalities in paying especially the middle to smaller size councils for meeting the other operational expenditures like the special minister's allowances, and in some cases to subsidize for the salary of the CEOs, because they don't have the means to support, financial means to support the municipal council. So these are some of the key areas that we hopeful to get some assistance, if not full, some assistance from through the 2026-2027 financial year. And we expect the budget to be a very good one, because a lot of things that we want to do in our department. Hopefully we'll get the assistance from the allocations that we have requested so far. And my only concern is for us to continue to get assistance to support our ongoing projects, because these are part of our contractual obligations, because these are projects that have already been ongoing. So there are some obligations that need to be met with the contractors, and hopefully we'll be getting full support, so that we'll be able to not only complete the projects, we'll also be able to honor the contractual agreements, obligations that we have had with all the contractors.